Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood, pull the release. It's down here underneath. Release the secondary, the safety latch. It's over here. Squeeze it up. It's got hood struts. To remove the engine cover, you have to remove the oil cap. So just turn it counterclockwise, it'll unlock. Pull off, put that aside, pop the engine cover up, pull it out of there. I'll put our oil cap back on so nothing falls in there. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Put this aside. Power steering fluid reservoir is located under the engine cover. You can't see it with the engine cover on here. To check it, you just turn this cap counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull it out. It does have a dipstick in here, and it does appear to be low. Just gonna wipe it off. And I can see some in there, but it looks like it's really at the bottom. Tighten it back up. Lift it back up, off. And it's barely registering on the dipstick. So this engine is hot. It's not cold, so it should be up here on the hot part. If it was cold, your full level would be here, but even hot, it's down here. So this car is low on power steering fluid, so I'm going to top it off.
Now we're going to put the engine cover back on. Pull this oil cap off. Push down. Put the oil cap back in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.